Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Whether you have a PDF file that contains a watermark, or maybe you received a document that you need to edit, but the watermark is making it hard to read and edit. Well, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove watermarks from any PDF using Systweak PDF Editor in just a few simple steps. You can watch the other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. So let's get started. This is the watermark on this PDF file. Let's now remove it. Click on Edit at the top. From the available options, click on Watermark. This is where you can add or remove a watermark. Now click on Remove Watermark. Here, you can choose to remove the watermark from all pages or select specific pages where you want to remove the watermark. Once you have made your selection, click OK. And that's it. The watermark is now completely removed. Let's open the PDF. And here it is without the watermark. See how easy that was. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.